When I woke up, there they stood on my sidewalk, dressed in white like old doctors are. Well, they called me insane, I'm sorry. Put me in the box and they called me insane, saying I'm crazy, something wrong with my brain. Gave me some pills to recover again. Well, I'm just an edible thing, don't care. Bird on the wire and a bird in the sky, music in my ears and tears in my eyes. Reading magazines to look good at time, drinking beer and sometimes some wine. I try to hold on to my faith. Sometimes I feel it's just a little too late. Dreaming of